Retirement. It's a word that can evoke images of endless days on the golf course, leisurely cruises, and maybe even a part-time job as a greeter at Walmart. But here's the thing. Retirement isn't just about what you're going to do. It's also about how you're going to pay for it. The truth is, most of us can't rely solely on Social Security to fund our golden years. That's where retirement accounts come in. Think of them as your financial life rafts, keeping you afloat when the tide of your career goes out. There are two main types of retirement accounts you need to know about: IRAs and 401ks. Each has its own set of rules, benefits, and drawbacks. Don't worry, we're going to break it all down for you in plain English. No jargon allowed, because understanding your retirement options is the first step towards securing your financial future. First up, let's talk about IRAs, or individual retirement accounts. These are like the Swiss Army knives of retirement savings: versatile, accessible, and surprisingly powerful. There are two main types of IRAs, traditional and Roth. With a traditional IRA, you contribute pre-tax money, which means you get a tax break now. The money then grows tax-deferred until retirement, when you finally pay taxes on it. A Roth IRA, on the other hand, works a bit differently. You contribute after-tax dollars, meaning you don't get an upfront tax break. However, your money grows tax-free, and you won't owe any taxes when you withdraw it in retirement. Both traditional and Roth IRAs have their pros and cons, and the best choice for you depends on your individual circumstances. But the important thing is that you understand the difference between these two powerful retirement savings tools. Now, let's move on to 401ks. These retirement plans are typically offered through your employer, and they come with their own set of advantages and disadvantages. With a 401k, you contribute a portion of your pre-tax salary, which is then invested in a selection of mutual funds or other investment options chosen by your employer. The money grows tax-deferred until retirement, just like with a traditional IRA. One of the biggest perks of a 401k is the potential for employer matching contributions. This is essentially free money that your employer puts into your account, up to a certain percentage of your salary. However, 401ks often come with higher fees than IRAs, and your investment options are limited to what your employer offers. Still, the tax advantages and potential for employer matching contributions make 401ks a valuable retirement savings tool for many people. So how do you choose between an IRA and a 401k? It's like deciding between a delicious slice of pizza and a perfectly grilled cheeseburger. Both are great options. One key difference is contribution limits. In 2024, you can contribute up to $6,500 to an IRA. For 401ks, the limit is much higher, $22,500. Another key difference is employer involvement. IRAs are self-directed, while 401ks are managed by your employer. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual circumstances, such as income and risk tolerance. Section 5 IRAs, the good, the bad, and the tax-deferred. Let's take a closer look at the benefits and limitations of IRAs. IRAs offer flexibility and control with a wide range of investment options. You're not limited to what your employer offers. IRAs are easy to set up and manage at most banks and brokerage firms. You can adjust your portfolio as needed. However, IRAs have lower contribution limits than 401ks, and you might not be eligible for an employer match. Despite these, IRAs remain valuable for many, especially those starting out or wanting more control. Section 6 401ks, the upsides, downsides, and matching contributions. Now let's turn our attention to the benefits and limitations of 401ks. As mentioned earlier, one of the biggest advantages of a 401k is the potential for employer matching contributions. This is free money that can significantly boost your retirement savings. 401ks also offer higher contribution limits than IRAs, allowing you to save more for retirement, especially as your income grows. And because contributions are made on a pre-tax basis, you'll reduce your taxable income and potentially lower your tax bill. However, 401ks also come with some downsides. Investment options are typically limited to what your employer offers, which may not align with your investment goals or risk tolerance. and 401ks often come with higher fees than IRAs, which can eat into your returns over time. Despite these drawbacks, 401ks remain a valuable retirement savings tool for many people, especially those who are looking to maximize their contributions and take advantage of employer matching contributions.
Section 7. Choosing your retirement champion, a decision-making guide. So, which retirement account is right for you? It depends. If your employer offers a 401k with a matching contribution, it's generally a good idea to contribute at least enough to get the full match. This is free money you don't want to leave on the table. If you're maxing out your 401k contributions, or your employer doesn't offer a matching contribution, consider opening an IRA to supplement your retirement savings. IRAs offer more investment options and greater control over your money. You can also have both a 401k and an IRA, allowing you to take advantage of the benefits of both types of accounts. The important thing is to start saving early and consistently, no matter which type of account you choose.
Section 8. The future is now. Start saving today for a more secure tomorrow. Retirement planning can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. By understanding the basics of IRAs and 401ks, you can make informed decisions about your financial future. Remember, the best time to start saving for retirement is now. Don't wait until it's too late. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your retirement savings grow. Your future self will thank you.